Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to use the Roblox FPS Unlocker to change the FPS cap. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So besides unlocking your FPS in Roblox, you can also cap your unlocked FPS to a given value or custom value set by user. There are two ways you can cap your FPS in the unlocker tool. So just make sure that you follow the steps that I am going to teach you. So the first one is using the system tray. So to change the FPS cap from the system tray, you need to follow the steps right here. So first, just open your system tray and right click onto the unlocker tool icon. And once you click on it, a menu will pop up, and hover your mouse over the FPS cap and simply select the desired FPS value. And now the game will run on the FPS you have set. And after that, what you can do also is using the settings file. So if you're not satisfied with the FPS values provided in the Unlocker Tool FPS cap menu, you can always go for custom cap settings. So follow the steps right here. So first, just go into the folder where you extracted the Unlocker Tool and you will see the settings file. So just now right click onto the file and open your notepad. So after that, just look for the FPS cap values option, and finally just change the value that you want and save file. So remember to not change the zeros in the value, and now you will see the custom value in your FPS cap section in Unlocker Tool System Tray. And well, that's all that you need to know about using the Roblox Unlocker tool. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.